Friday, fat on Friday, fun day, fat on Friday, whatever you want to call it, guys. Anyways, arm workout, very basic, very straightforward. So we're gonna start off with cable tricep push down. Again, posture, bring your arms nice and tight. Focus on the squeeze, so let's get that lateral head. You're gonna get some long head in there as well. And medial at the very eccentric part of the movement, or eccentric, at the very eccentric part of the movement. And then we're gonna superset with some dumbbell curls. So standing alternating dumbbell curls. One thing that you see from me, I used to do them like this, but I realized I wasn't getting enough of a stretch because this is the concentric. However, when you come here, you release tension, and you apply the tension onto your brachialis, and then obviously you can leverage your weight more. However, if you start here, we're already isolating the bicep at the top and bottom range of the movement. So one thing that I've done, I've started from here, started doing my curls like this. However, it's a lot harder, and it will take a lot of practice to build up. But thanks to COVID, not necessarily thanks to COVID, but thanks to isolation, it's gave me the time to remaster my bicep curls, and it feels absolutely incredible. So give it a try, start like here. Yes, it's gonna be harder the first time, but by the time when you build your strength, man, the pump on the bicep is actually insane. So that's our alternating bicep curls. Now we're moving on to our main core exercises. So right now, EZ bar curls. I'm taking a slightly wider grip. So you've got two grips on the EZ bar. So you've got close and wide. So I'm taking the wider one, purely if it's more comfortable. Narrow, I'll do when I do a drop set. Right here, we're just gonna focus more on the outer head, whereas this is gonna focus more on the peak as well as the short head. So yeah, that's just something to remember. So yeah, EZ bar curls, let's get it. I still consider that warm-up. The art of bodybuilding, muscle motion, contraction, focusing. You know, those are the pillars that build or contribute to building your best physique, really, if you appreciate bodybuilding in that sense. So tricep dips, just body weight, nothing crazy yet. So in terms of reps, high reps from there. So we're looking at 15. Whereas on the EZ bar curls, we're doing 8 to 12, which is my standard repetition, hypertrophy style. Then we'll move on to some preacher curls on the machine. Build my way up, got to around 74 kilograms, which is almost full stack. And yeah, 8 to 12 reps again, very simple. As you saw, my form didn't break. I mean, it did towards the end. And that was pretty much it. Rep-wise, 8 to 12, like I said, just contraction, just bicep. Just focus on the bicep, squeeze. And make sure one little tip, get your forearms. Get that slap, nice and rigid. Contract, contract. And just repeat the motion. Repeat the motion. Very easy exercise for the majority of you guys. This is a beginner exercise. Next exercise, tricep overhead extension. Start off the top. Again, focus that. So this is gonna focus on the long head, the big chunky part of your tricep. You're gonna get the medial head. Because right here, when you get to the very lowest part of the exercise, all the way here, holding the cable like that, you're gonna get the little medial head. which is a little short head, which is little like this little line basically. You can see that? I can grab it. That little butt. Not gonna get as much lateral. Well, you will get lateral head when you squeeze at the top of the movement there. But majority is the big head.